Meanwhile, rescue operations are underway in Jammu and Kashmir's Kishtwar, where over 60 people have lost their lives after a cloudburst and several people are still missing. My colleague Sunil G. Bhatt brings you this report from Kishtwar.
It's the day 4 of the rescue and relief operations here at Chashoti village in Kishtwar district of Jammu and Kashmir. Right now we are at ground zero, and here you can see that Indian Army personnel are trying to build a temporary bridge here over this Nala. There was a bridge here, but that got washed away during the floods on Thursday. Now Indian Army personnel are trying their level best to build a temporary iron bridge so that vehicles can move to other side of this village. But you can see that it's a mammoth task. It's a very challenging rescue operation, and JCB machines are being used to clear the debris, to clear the rubble. As per the latest information, more than 60 dead bodies have been recovered from the rubble here at Chashoti village in Jammu and Kashmir's Kishtwar district, and efforts are on to trace the missing people, because as per the authorities 70 to 80 people are still missing, and the rescue teams are working on war footing to trace the missing people. There are different rescue teams here working in close coordination, whether it's the NDRF, SDRF, Indian Army, Jammu and Kashmir Police, paramilitary forces. They are working in close coordination, and it's a joint rescue and relief operation. Efforts are on to trace the missing people on that side. On my right side, you can see that cutters are being used to break the huge boulders. Remember on Thursday when there was a cloudburst incident here, there were massive floods and these boulders came rolling down from the hilltop, and now these boulders are lying all across this village. Trees got uprooted, huge trees got uprooted. It's a mammoth task, it's a huge task for the rescue teams, but they are on their job. They are trying their level best to clear the debris, and these boulders are being broken so that the rubble can be cleared and people who are missing can be traced. Yesterday, Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Umar Abdullah, as well as Union Home Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh, visited this site and they took stock of the situation. It's not an easy operation. It's going to take time, but rescue teams are on their job. They are trying their level best to clear the debris as soon as possible. Rescue teams are working on war footing to clear the debris. We are at ground zero. We will be getting you all the updates. As I said, that 70 to 80 people are still missing, and efforts are on to trace them. With video journalist Iraj Kumar, this is Sunil Bhatt reporting from ground zero at Chashoti village in Jammu and Kashmir's Kishtwar district for India Today. सर मुझे बताइए अभी जो राहत और बचाव कार्य चल रहा है क्या अपडेट है?
Yeah, I say, hey, we are doing basically from 13 NDRF, and we are doing this rescue operation since the day the incident happened. We have placed 3 teams over there, and before we come, there were 58 dead bodies were recovered, and after that we have recovered 13 dead bodies. Total, as of now, we have recovered 58 dead bodies, and our teams are placed all the places, and we divided this area divided into 2 parts. The middle, from middle to upper portion, that given to NDRF, and downside it's given to CSF. However, we have placed 2 teams also on both sides of the Nala.
How challenging is this rescue operation?
Yes, there is a challenges, but this kind of incident happened, there is a challenges, but we are ready to face any kind of challenges.
आप कह रहे हैं कि जिस दिन ये बाढ़ आई आप मकान के अंदर थे और आपकी पत्नी जो है दुकान पे
थे,
तो आपकी पत्नी ने आपको सूचित किया कि जल्दी निकलिए अपनी जान बचाइए।
इधर से बाढ़ आ गए तो निकलो, बस फिर देखते तो इधर से भी आ गए तो उधर से भी, फिर वहाँ खिड़की से निकले तो जबरदस्त वो तो निकले, जो छत था तो सामान सब
तो यहाँ आपकी दुकान भी थी और नीचे मकान मतलब आपका घर था?
हाँ, घर भी था। इधर 4-5 कमरे रेस्टोरेंट थे। इधर DC आता, SP आता है तो जो भी आता था तो इधर हमारे पास ही बैठता था। ये जैसा हाँ स्पेशल मकान था, ऐसा मकान इधर
अच्छा मकान था।
इधर का ऐसा मकान कहीं भी नहीं था।